I just love colors, don't you? Tap on any color and let's start playing. Say the colors with me. Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, blue, purple. Can you find the red block? Tap it. Yes, tap the red pencil. That's right. Touch the yellow block. Perfect. Which pencil is yellow? You're right. Touch the green block. Where is the green pen? Great job. Where is the green monster? Which one is purple? Where is the orange monster? Match the button to its light color object. Pink, blue, green, red. Which one is red? Where is the green one? The yellow one. Blue. Orange. Great! Give me high five. Have fun! I'm Miss Red. I'm Mr. Purple. I'm Mr. Yellow. Red. Purple. Yellow. Which letter is red? That's right, the A. Which letter is yellow? Right again. C. Where's the green one? B is a great answer. It's a button puzzle. Show me how to work it. Blue, blue, green, green, brown, brown, gray, gray. Where is the yellow bird? Find the purple one. Where's the orange bird? Touch the blue bird. Let's see how you do on this puzzle. Well, I'm Mr. Blue. Just call me Orange. I'm Little Miss Yellow. Yellow. Blue. Orange. I have a question for you. Where are the red dice? Perfect. Where are the blue ones? That's right. Show me the brown dice. Touch the green dice. Way to go. Yellow. Purple. Red. Match the fruit with the block and the pencil. Red. The apple is red. The orange is an orange color. Orange. Green. The lime is green. Match the color blocks with the pictures and the pencils. Pink. This is a pretty pink flower. Yellow. Bananas are yellow. Purple. The scribble is purple. Where is the brown book? That's it. Where is the yellow one? You got it. Touch the green one. Touch the purple book. Which one is red? Yes. Where is the blue one? Here we go. Where is the blue heart? The brown one. The purple heart. Find the gray one. Touch the yellow heart. Now the pink one. Where is the green heart? Last one. Find the orange heart. You are getting really good at knowing your colors.